Hello welcome guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off recent item and flanked places in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So very easy. First right click on personalize, click on start, and here option show recently updated item. So if you want to turn off, so select to off position, that is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to turn off recent items and flanked places in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please share, like and subscribe my channel for latest update and say this video is fail or not. Thank you for watching this video.